Hi friends, in the last videos we covered very clearly about local date. Have you observed? Local date, local time, next zone ID, next zoned date time, next local date time, local date time and period. Okay, about this API we discussed very clearly, sir. Local date, local time, local date time, zone ID, zoned date time and a period. These concepts I explained very clearly with examples, right? Sir, now related to certification, maybe 100808, okay, OCJS certification, there are some more extra loopholes are required. These are things with examples I will discuss so that confidently you can go for certification, right? So what is the first loophole, sir? Very simple. Sir, do you know, I want to represent date, current date I want to represent. What is the way, sir? Local date, dt is equal to local date dot now. Are you getting? Local date dot now. Current system date we are going to get. But I want a particular date. Okay, current system date if you want, local date, okay, sir, LD or otherwise dt is equal to local date dot now you are going to get, sir. Okay, now what is the current system date we will get, sir, like this. But my requirement is, boss, I don't want, okay, local current system date. I want to represent a particular date, maybe 1947 August 15th. Are you getting right? Okay, like a particular date I want to represent. What is the way, sir? So for that we have to take local date dt is equal to local date dot off you have to take. Have you remembered, right? Sir, there is a factory method, factory method is there, sir, which by using that we can get local date object of a particular date. Okay, like, sir, here which arguments are there, sir? Why first we have to pass y dd like we require to pass, sir. Remember this one, y dd. So important conclusion is compulsory these things should be valid values. Remember this one, sir. So if you consider okay, 0 1 to 12, are you getting? Because month 1 to 12 only, month itself is 1 to 12 only. Next dd, sir, dd 0 1 to 31. If it is the February 28, sometimes 29, 30, 31, like so this is by mistake. If you are providing the values not in this range, immediately we will get an error. Remember, this is one important conclusion what you people should aware for the certification sake. Are you getting right? Compulsory allowed, sir, only allowed range of values we have to use. By mistake, if you are taking the value outside of this range, immediately we will get what? Error. Any doubt about this one, sir? Please observe a bit very carefully, sir. Suppose I'm taking, sir, local date dt is equal to, just I'm taking one example, local date dt is equal to local date dot of okay, 1947 08 15 I'm taking 08 15 1947 08 15 8 15 like this I'm taking, sir. 100% pakka it is a valid, sir. 1947 8 15 valid, August 15th 1947, right? Suppose I'm taking 1947 13 15 if I can take, immediately error we are going to get, because 13 is not allowed value. 13 is not allowed value for, okay, month. Are you getting right? Similarly 1947 8 32 if I can take, 1947 8 32 if I can take, immediately error we are going to get, sir. Sir, just let me show this one. Have a look once, sir. Sir, import java.time.star, okay, here local date sir dt is equal to local date dot off of, okay, here my requirement, what I have to take, sir, here 1947 comma 8 comma 15 I'm taking, sir, 8 comma 15, sir, system dot out dot println dt, let me take, sir, that's all. So this is the simple example I'm taking. Now let me save this code here. If I consider that, okay, sir, inside the just D drive, okay, Durga classes, let me take Durga classes, sir, here test dot Java, like this I'm saving, sir, okay. Well, sir, now here just observe carefully. Here let me go to my location, sir, Java C test dot Java, like this I'm trying to compile this code, sir, 100% pakka. This is the valid code. Have a look once. This is the valid code. Next, if I run this code, what answer we are going to get, sir? 1947 0815, like we are going to get, sir. Suppose instead of 8, if I can take, sir, 13 month is not there. The code compiles fine, no syntactical mistake, but at runtime we are going to get exception in thread main java.time date time exception. What is that exception? Date time exception, invalid value for month of year, invalid value for month of year, valid values 1 to 12, but you provided 13. Are you getting? Date time exception we are going to get, sir, valid values are 1 to 12, but you provided 13, okay, like, sir, instead of 13, sir, let me take 8 only, but instead of 15, sir, just 34 I'm taking. 34 itself is invalid. Remember that? 34 itself is invalid. The code compiles fine, but at runtime we are getting, sir, so java.time.date time exception, invalid value for day of month, invalid value for day of month, valid values 1 to 28 or 31, 28 to 29, 31, like this, but 34 you provided, date time exception we are getting. So everything is very clear for you people, right? Local date dot off method whenever we are using, so whether you provided proper values or not, you have to take a bit special care. Clear?